How to make yourself throw up. Vomiting is the best method to flush the toxins out of your body entirely. It is really necessary if you are experiencing things like nausea and general weakness. You need throwing up when you had a bad meal or had too much alcohol. You can sit somewhere and let your body throwing up. If it does not work and you are feeling extremely bad, you can go for the following methods that easily make you throwing up rapidly. 1. Gargle with egg white. Egg white is the substance that majority of the people cannot bear it for a single minute in their mouth. Thus, it is one of the simple and effective solution that helps you in throwing up effortlessly. How to use. Grab 2 or 3 eggs and crack them. You have to separate egg white. Pour it in your mouth and start gargling slowly until it requires to gag. Just then spit it. It will make you induce vomiting. If the first practice did not work, you have to do it again and again to induce vomiting. 2. Watch someone else vomiting. The sensory stimulation in human body reacts in different ways to different conditions. It is a natural thing that when you watch others throwing up, your body triggers the same reaction at that time. How to use. Watch someone else throwing up, or you can download the videos people are throwing up. If it does not work, you can perform the same procedure as the person is doing in the video to vomit. 3. Utilize mustard solution. Mustard is considered as the efficacious homemade emetic that works potently to make you throw quickly. However, it tastes very bad, but it is one of the most helpful trick. How to use. You just need a tablespoon of mustard and a glass of lukewarm water. Pour the mustard into the water and mix it thoroughly. Drink it very hastily, that absolutely make you throw up. 4. Drink warm salt water. If you are looking for a simple method to induce vomiting, drinking warm salt water is an ideal solution in such case. It is absolutely natural tonic that is highly loaded with sodium chloride. When it enters in your stomach, it works just to make you induce vomiting. It is favorable for you to ease various stomach's contents. How to use. All you have to do is to mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt with 1 glass of warm water. Stir the mixture well and consume it. However, it takes maximum half an hour to work, but its results are stunningly beneficial. 5. Drink Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is the drink that carries qualities helpful in induction of vomiting. As you drink it, it produces bubbles in your stomach that helps in soothing upset stomach to a great extent. If you drink it flat, it results sound and makes your stomach feel discomfort by inducing vomiting. How to use. Buy a Coca-Cola drink and consume it directly. You can add some salt into it to make it more workable. Visit billyhealth.com to know more about how to make yourself throw up.